In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a crew in Blox Fruits. Start by heading to the site and click on the skull and sword icon. Head over and select the name box, then enter in a name for your crew. You can add emojis by either copy and pasting them in or by opening the emoji keyboard. On PC, this is done by pressing the Windows key and period key at the same time, while on Mac, you need to press Command, Control, and Space. Next, go to the Roblox website. Click Create from the top menu and you will be taken to the Roblox Creator Hub. If you aren't, then go back and click Create again, or type create.roblox.com into the address bar and press Enter. Select Store from the top menu, then switch to the Decals tab. Select the search box and search for an image you would like to use as your crew logo. You can click the image icon on the side to search using an image on your device, or click the Filter By button to refine your search. Locate the image that you want to use, then select it. Go across and click the Get Decal button if you want to add it to your inventory. Then head up and select the address bar. Make sure the whole URL is selected. Then right-click and select Copy or press Ctrl-C or Command-C on a Mac. Go back to Blox Fruits and select the logo link box. Paste in your decal URL by pressing Ctrl-V or Command-V on a Mac, then press Enter. If done correctly, the image will now appear in the logo box on the side. Head down and click the Create button. You will need to be at least level 300 to make a crew. To invite someone to your crew, type their username into the provided box, then click the Invite button. If at any point you want to delete your crew, then click the Abandon button at the bottom, then click Abandon again to confirm. You now know how to make a crew in Blox Fruits. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.